everybody. Just about to pick the grapes now, as you can see on the bucket. I've cleared the foliage, and now what we're going to do is go pick the bunches. So you can see hand size. Bring that bucket with me. Down on the floor. These are clearly better than all the years I've had this growing now. After 2025 we've had really hot weather. So, if you come with me, I'll see if I can show you some of the big ones. Hopefully them, look how big they are. Don't be frightened to eat them. It's really sweet, but it's got the pips and all that in it. So that's why we're going to put them on the fruit press, which is going to be the next video. So don't want to make this too long. But yes, so you get the picture. So I'm going to get on with squeezing them, and the next time we'll be in the kitchen on the fruit press. We'll squeeze them, and then we'll see what we get and we drink them. Thanks for watching.